Unlock the potential of passive income with Shopify's affiliate program. Join a community of entrepreneurs and start earning by promoting one of the most trusted e-commerce platforms in the world. Whether you are a blogger, influencer, or just passionate about online business, you can earn generous commissions for every referral. Don't just dream about financial freedom. Make it a reality with Shopify. Sign up today and turn your influence into income. So hey guys, and welcome in this video where I will show you step by step how you can make money with Shopify affiliate program. So first of all, have just to open your web browser and dive into shopify.com. So this is the home page. So Shopify affiliate program allows individuals to earn commissions by promoting Shopify's e-commerce platform. Affiliates can share unique referral links with their audience, and when someone signs up for Shopify through that link, the affiliate earns a commission. This program is ideal for bloggers, influencers, and anyone with an online presence looking to monetize their content while helping others start their own online stores. So if you want to get started, all you have to do is just click over apply now, then you will find this page. So you have just to write your first name, your last name, your username, your email address, and your password. Then you write your mobile phone. Once you do that, you will find other page, which is how would you categorize your business. Select the option that best describes how you interact with your audience and what they come to you for. This helps brands learn more about your business. So for example, you have social influencer, content review, and we have loyalty and rewards. Then we have your deal, coupons, email and newsletter. Then we have your search and comparison, network also, technology solution. Then we have cross audience monetization. So once you choose the one you want here, you click over continue and you'll find other page, which is this one. So we have you add social. You can add more than one accounts from each type of social platforms. So we have here Instagram, Facebook, X, Pinterest, YouTube, TikTok, Twitch, LinkedIn, WeChat, Weibo. Then you'll find this page. Tells about yourself. We have first thing individuals. I am an individual or creator who promotes brand across my own media properties. Then we have company here. I'm a member of represent a company who promotes brands across its media properties. So you choose the one you are. Then you write your account display name. Then you choose your country and your region or your region. Then we have your mail address. You choose your first address, then your second address, your city, and then we have zip code here. Then we have time zone here and currency. Then you click over submit and you start with Shopify. So if you come back, we have here become a Shopify affiliate. Earn commission when you refer new merchants to select Shopify plans or Shopify point of sale. Then we have here two ways to refer and earn. The first one, we have Shopify plans referrals. Get paid when you refer new merchants to eligible Shopify plans. Then we have here Shopify Plus Pro referrals. Earn up to $150 for every eligible point of sale for pro referrals. Sorry. Then we have here join thousands of affiliates from across the globe. Content creators, course educators, influencers, and review sites are helping their audience launch successful. So we can just read this information. Then we have here we are committed to access to success. And the last thing, we have frequently asked questions. For example, what is the Shopify affiliate program? So the Shopify affiliate program includes entrepreneurs, educators, influencers, and content creators who inspire and teach their audience about entrepreneurship with Shopify. The program is free to join and allows you to monetize your audience and earn commissions from each new Shopify merchant referral. Then we have here what requirements do I need to meet to apply. So the first one, you have to apply. You must firstly own and run an active website, then have an established audience, then you have create original content such as online courses, seminars, blogs, posts, or videos, then have an experience with Shopify or other e-commerce platforms, then have a read and agree to the Shopify partner program agreement. So this is how it works with Shopify. Right now I will show you how you can earn money with it. First of all, we have YouTube. For example, this one we have to obtain Shopify dropshipping products for February. If you scroll down, we have here the link. Once you click over the link, this one, and he will get his commission. And this is how it works with Shopify. You can just get started right now and you will earn money with it. So if you are looking to leverage platforms like YouTube, TikTok, and Instagram for the Shopify affiliate program, here are some strategies and tips for each. For example, we have YouTube. So YouTube is a powerful platform for affiliate marketing, allowing to create in-depth content and that engages viewers and builds trust. By producing product video reviews, tutorials, and unboxing videos, you can showcase the benefits of various products sold through Shopify stores. Be sure to include your affiliate links in this video description, making it easy for viewers to purchase that what they see. Engaging visuals and informative content can lead to higher conversion rates as viewers are more likely to trust recommendations from video creators they follow. Then we have also other option which is TikTok. So TikTok drives on creativity and short form content, making it an ideal platform for promoting Shopify products in fun and engaging ways. By creating quick products, demos, participating in trading challenges, or utilizing popular sounds, you can capture the attention of a wide audience. Use your pure link to direct followers to your affiliate products and incorporate relevant hashtags like, for example, hashtag Shopify fans to increase visibility. The platform's viral nature means that even a single well-crafted video can significantly boost your affiliate sales. Then we have the last one, which is Instagram. So Instagram is perfect for visual showcasing products, making it a key platform for affiliate marketing. By utilizing shoppable posts, you can tag products directly in your images, allowing followers to easily explore and purchase. Stories and another effective tool. Share quick recommendations and utilize the link sticker for seamless access to affiliate links. Additionally, creating engaging reels can help you tap into a broader audience while highlighting products features in a dynamic way. Consistency, your authentic engagement with your followers will help you build a loyal community that follows your recommendations. So each platform offers unique opportunities to effectively promote your Shopify affiliate links. So experimenting with different formats and strategies is key to finding what works best for you. So this is how it works with Shopify. You can just get started right now and you will earn money with it. But before you have just to know more information about how it works with Shopify affiliate program, and you have just read all this information and you get started with Shopify. So that's it for this video guys. I hope it has been useful and helpful, and see you again in the next video.